morning everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel and to the second part of this moving vlog. So we are, if you see that little window there, you know that we are at our new house. If you haven't seen our empty house tour, I'll link it above for you. If you haven't seen the first part of the moving vlog, I'll link it above for you as well. I'm excited. We are waiting for the delivery truck to come, and this is what the living room looks like. That's right, we've got a little table and chairs here, which we barely used. Alex has been watching Peppa Pig. It's a very unhappy little boy. Stanny, Stan, are you okay? Yeah, he's just settling in, and there's the other one, S. She's all right. So we haven't done much. We literally just had some breakfast with some of the supplies we brought with me. I got my Scentsy on. I remembered to keep this aside because this house does not smell nice. It doesn't, it's not horrendous, you know, but I think it was closed for 3 or 4 months, and yeah, the smells are not great. So, but at the same time, I can't just open the back door because the cats have to be locked in. If you don't know, if you don't have cats and you don't know, when you move with them, you're supposed to keep them in for 2 or 3 weeks so they get to know where they are just by looking out of the window before letting them out, which is a pain. It also means that the litter's inside, which is in the utility room in there, which stinks. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this kitchen tidied up as much as I can before the guys get here. I don't have any tripods with me, so I can't even prop you up and show you, but I am sure that over the next few years you will see me clean this kitchen over and over again, so don't worry about that. See you in a bit. So the guys have arrived quite a couple of hours ago maybe, and this is all our garden stuff. And they're unpacking, they're taking all the stuff upstairs, and then they're gonna come downstairs basically. But yeah, we are putting furniture that hasn't got a place at the moment. So this is where we are, guys. I have already started unpacking. Here's the main man. Here's some of the way things have been put out. It doesn't mean this is how it's all going to stay. This is like books. We're thinking maybe that unit there with boxes. It's just a start, but are you ready for this? Just cables. Yeah, just keeps going. So it's all a bit, some pizza from Alex from lunchtime. There's the other one. They're dying to get out. So up here in Alex's room, this is what it's looking like. Paul needs to build his bed, and we've put a chest of drawers in here. There you go. And yeah, there's nothing on this side anyway, but the litter is up here because we have the cats locked in the bathroom. There's Stanny. This is my office. So you can see it's where most of the dumping has been done. If it doesn't have a place, I've asked them to put it in here. I actually put all my clothes straight in here. I don't know if you've ever had this, but they bring these portable wardrobes where they hang all your clothes, so it's very easy to just hang it all back. And that's what I did. I just hang it back. I did the same with Paul's wardrobe as well. Now I noticed the door is closed. I think Paul's probably trying to, oh yes, to keep Stan and Ethel out as well as Alex, because he's building our bed, stuff everywhere there, and these boxes, which is not horrendous actually. And I did say to him, if he doesn't get to building the bed tonight, we can sleep on the mattress. It will be a lot better than sleeping on the air beds. We had such a sleepless night, so I think we'll probably sleep anywhere. But at the moment, he's out in the garden. If you guys remember and followed me for a little while, we bought this shed secondhand. So he's building that, trying to do it quickly, but the ground isn't level, blah, blah, blah. So he's building it because we have a lot of stuff outside that if it rains, it needs to be hidden, you know, it needs to be inside. So he's trying to handle that. But yeah, at the house, I'm pretty chilled. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I am better today. Usually I don't handle this stage very well, but I'm feeling okay. We don't have as many boxes as I thought, and we're slightly more organised than I thought. So yes, let's get back to it. So I'm making a quick dinner for Alex. Just some rice on the hob. I haven't found any spoon or knife. All my cooking utensils basically, so I had a teaspoon and I'm using that to stir, and all I've done is I found some spices in here. Let me show you, like these, the Mexican chicken, I think it is. Let me see. So you're supposed to put it on chicken and put it in the oven, but I thought, well, spices are spices, so he likes his rice with flavour, so I thought I would give that a go. We have loads of pizzas left we bought for us and for the men that were helping us unpack, and we have loads left, so Paul and I are going to have that for dinner as well. And this is where we are at the end of day one. It's full on dark outside. It's 9 o'clock. Paul's just finished putting our bed together, so I've made it. Don't be fooled. There's stuff and more stuff, and we haven't even really, let me show you, touched this room. And then check it out, Alex is having a bath and Paul is putting together Alex's bed. Good morning everyone. It's Saturday the 18th, I think. It's about 10 o'clock. We've been up for a couple of hours. I have got my washing machine in place. Hello Stan. And I'm just doing a quick wash just to give it a cleanse. And I'm going to start emptying more boxes. Paul is outside working. There he is, working hard. He's working on customizing that shelving unit to go in my pantry here. So I'll be sure to show you how that goes in here. The Sky man has been, so we've got Sky TV, but our internet and phone line are not working at the moment. It's going to take another 3 days, so I'm not sure if there will be a video up tomorrow. There might not be. So I'm going to crack on and open more boxes. So see you in a little bit. I'm in Alex's room. He slept in here. If you hear this like crickling noise, because there's still like plastic sheeting. Can you see them there? So to protect the flooring, we're going to take it off today, but I decided to come up and start putting his stuff back. So yeah, I got all these boxes, so let's get going. So this is what Alex's room looks like now. The bed has been somewhat made. I'm gonna hate the fact that it's against the wall and I have to pull all of that out. I think we're missing probably a couple of boxes from Alex's room. I've put this here to hang all his dinosaurs because I can't do that in his wardrobe anymore. And then I'm not sure if this mat is going to stay here, but I'm thinking of creating like a little comfy area for him, maybe getting him a beanbag or something like that. And this is what this looks like. And this side of the wardrobe, this is not how stuff is going to stay, but it's basically boxes out of the house. That's what we want. That's the name of the game. I'll show you the other side. This is what the other side looks. We've put all these books there for now. And another thing, look, this is how low the ceilings are. I could probably, no, not quite touch it, but yeah. Oh, we've hung his picture up. That's the only one we've done. It's just so it's nice area for him to come if we have to do something in the other area, in the other places around the house. We can say to him, go to your bedroom, play, knowing that there's no boxes to fall on him or anything like that. And I think now we're going to focus downstairs mainly. Let's go. So progress is being made, you guys. I'm decluttering as I go, and at the moment it still all looks a bit random, but yeah, there's stuff everywhere, but we're getting there.